In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change your Chase debit card design. Step 1. Go to Chase's website or open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. Once logged in, find the section related to your account or cards, and then choose the option to customize your debit card design. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, account details, and any other required information. Browse through the available card designs and select the one you prefer. Next, double-check all the information you've entered, including the selected card design. And once satisfied, confirm your order. Proceed. Your custom debit card design should arrive within 5 to 7 business days, and you may be able to track your shipment of your new card through the Chase website or mobile app. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.